Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the bubble mask fast in Bee Swarm Simulator. To begin, understand that this mask is a crucial upgrade for blue hive players, significantly boosting your blue pollen collection. It requires a combination of rare materials and a substantial amount of honey. We will cover each step, from gathering components to the final crafting, ensuring you can acquire this valuable item efficiently. Next, let's detail the essential materials you will need. First, 50 blue extracts are required. These are primarily obtained from blue fields. You will also need 50 glue, which can be a bit trickier to acquire, often dropping from bosses or crafted. Additionally, prepare to gather 500 enzymes and 500 oil. These components are vital for the mask's creation and will be a primary focus of your farming efforts. Now, let's discuss efficient farming strategies for these materials. For blue extracts, consistently farm blue fields such as the blue flower field or the clover field. Glue can be obtained by defeating the king beetle or from the ant challenge. Enzymes are best made in the blender using pineapples and strawberries. Finally, oil can be found in yellow fields like the sunflower field or the cactus field. Finally, once you have all the materials, head to the blender located in the mountaintop shop to craft your bubble mask. Be prepared to spend 250 million honey for the crafting cost. This powerful mask offers significant benefits, including a 25% boost to blue pollen, a 5% increase in overall pollen collection, and a 5% faster convert rate, making it a worthwhile investment for any blue hive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.